Okay, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use QuickTime Player that's built in on MacBook to make a screencast. So here I am. I am going to go up to my Spotlight and I'm going to type in QuickTime. This is my way of reaching for QuickTime. Maybe you have another way of reaching for it. And it is up here at the top now. It's open. I'm going to go to File, New Screen Recording. Okay, and in my version, I'm going to see a record down here and an options button. If you can find a way to drop down the little arrow that might be next to something different that you see, and just make sure that it's pointing at your built-in microphone so the audio can be turned on. You can also select some other things as you see there. I'm going to do show most clicks, and I'm going to press record and it is going to start recording. That's how easy pretty much it is. Once I do that, there should be a button that will be up here for you to use to stop the record button. And then it'll immediately pop open in front of you and you can review it and then save it, give it a name, and put it in a folder somewhere on your local machine. I'm going to give this a try, but I'm already screencasting, so I don't know if it's going to do it both ways. Okay, so you can see up here is the button I mentioned, and right now it's also taking a screencast, and then I'm going to press that, and then it's going to pop up in front of me just as I said it would, and I can see a button and it took a screencast of what was there. So good luck with that, and please reach out to us if you need help with any of it. Okay.